Hi Possums, Random Info Chick here to share with you a really effective way to remove facial hair for about probably 20 cents a use. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself some of this. This is Blenderm tape. It's skin tape. It's made by 3M. I'm going to put a link down below so you can order it on Amazon. And just take yourself a little strip of this. First of all, you want to take like a cotton disc or a cotton ball and prep the area with, I use alcohol so that you get rid of all the skin oils. I put my alcohol in a little spray bottle to make it easier to control. So just make sure you just wipe the area clean of your skin oil and then place the tape. I actually will press the tape down in the direction of the hair growth and then pull it off in the opposite direction. I actually pull the skin away as I'm doing that. Okay, so you'll see that there are some little hairs on there. I would not recommend this for the eyebrows, okay? And this is because that skin is super thin and super delicate. It stretches out and gets wrinkly really quickly. So you don't want to end up with prematurely wrinkly, stretched out eyelid skin because that's really not a good look on anybody. That's why I would never wax in this area either. I gather that threading is really popular for that reason. My understanding from a threading expert is that threading only pulls on the hair. It doesn't actually pull on the eyelid skin, but by all means look into that because that's just what I was told. I didn't research it myself. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that's useful for you. Oh, by the way, this doesn't seem to work well in the bikini line area. I think that hair is just too coarse. Would probably work for really fine arm hair. I haven't tried that yet, so I'd love to hear your comments if it works for you in that area. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red subscriber button. It's free. I don't want you to miss my upcoming video on how to instantly improve your voice clarity on your smartphone.